Location natin ngayon is Municipality of Banisilan, Cotabato. Galing tayo sa Wao, Lanao del Sur. At itong direction na to, papunta ito sa sentro ng Banisilan and Alamada, Cotabato. Dito sa junction na to guys, kung mag-right turn ka dyan, papunta yan sa Alamada. So left turn tayo dito at papunta tayo doon sa Libungan, Cotabato. Umuad, Banisilan. Yan po yung Municipal Hall of Banisilan. So diretso lang po tayo guys. At ngayong araw ay papasadahan natin itong isang alternative road na nagkokonekta mula dito sa Municipality of Banisilan, Cotabato hanggang doon sa Municipality of Libungan, Cotabato. So magandang alternative road to guys sa mga biyaheros mula dito sa Lanao del Sur and Banisilan, Cotabato. Kung ang biyahe nyo papunta doon sa Libungan, Pigkawayan, papunta doon sa Cotabato City. At sa ruta na to ay mababypass na po ang Municipality of Alamada, Cotabato. So sa video na to ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang status ng daan, kung safe ba itong gamitin sa lahat ng uri ng sasakyan. At ipapakita ko din sa inyo ang mga magagandang tanawin na ating madadaanan.
When the morning's standing at your door, brighter than all mornings come before. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. When the day is longer than the night, the road ahead is clear and in the light is clear. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. Don't be late.
Alright, approaching tayo dito sa junction ng Barangay Tinimbakan, Banisilan, Cotabato. So kung mag-left turn ka dito guys, ito yung daan papunta doon sa Carmen, Cotabato. Diretso lang po tayo at pupunta tayo doon sa Libungan, Cotabato. Dito yan sa junction ng Tinimbakan, Banisilan, Cotabato.
I never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. I'm trying to make it up for my mistakes, but everywhere I turn some hearts will break. Something, someone will end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me.
Grass fire guys. Ano? Aapoy pa. Tapos ano sa ibabaw, wire sa ibabaw, nakapiligro yan. Grabe ang lawak, no? Hanggang dito guys, oh. Musok ba dyan, no?
I could probably use some heartbreak to get moving. Tired of the way you let me down. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So, oh, my time. Oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is oh, my time. I don't know which way I'm going. I don't need to, as long as I don't have to stay with you. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So, oh, my time. Oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is oh, my time. Oh, my time. Oh, don't try. I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is oh, my time.
So recap lang po ng ating biyahe ngayong araw. Mula doon sa municipality of Banisilan hanggang dito sa junction ng Barangay Nikaan, Libungan, Cotabato, ay konkreto po itong daan na ito. Mayroon lang konting portion na nasisira dahil sa landslide, pero napakaliit na portion lang po yun. Sa kabuuan po ay magandang alternative po ito sa ating mga biyaheros na bumabiyahe mula doon sa Lanao del Sur, Bukidnon and Banisilan, Cotabato, papunta dito sa Libungan and Cotabato City. Alright, approaching tayo dito sa Banisilan, Alamada, Libungan Road, Barangay Nikaan, Libungan, Cotabato. Kung mag-return ka dyan guys, yan po yung daan papunta doon sa Alamada at papunta din sa Banisilan. So left turn lang po tayo dito at pupunta tayo doon sa sentro ng Libungan, Cotabato. So ito din po yung daan papunta doon sa Cotabato City, papunta din sa Kidapawan City and Davao City. Alright? So nakita nyo na po ang status ng daan mula doon sa Banisilan, Cotabato hanggang dito sa junction ng Barangay Nikaan of Banisilan, Alamada, Libungan Road, Barangay Nikaan, Libungan, Cotabato. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to ay huwag kalibutang mag-like, comment and share para mas marami pang makapanood sa video na ito. At huwag di kalimutang mag-follow and subscribe sa ating Facebook page at YouTube channel para updated ka sa lahat ng videos uploads ko. Hanggang sa muli, daghang salamat po!